Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage or control who can call you on Telegram application. So guys, first of all, let's just open our Telegram application on our phone. Then we're going to click on the three lines button on the top left corner of our screen. Then we can click on the settings option, this one, tap on the settings option, and we're going to click on privacy and security. And on this privacy and security setting, we have to select the call setting, this one. And as you can see guys, that who can call me on my Telegram is my contacts, so I'm going to change it to nobody. Okay, and now nobody can call me on my Telegram application. And after that, we can tap on this checkmark button to save this setting. Alright guys, and that's how we can manage or control who can call us on Telegram application. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.